Shenyang Songhang Automation Equipment Company Limited was established in 2020. We are a manufacturer with many years of experience, specialized in customized production, research and development of vibrating bowl feeder, linear vibration feeder, centrifugal feeder machine, assembly equipment, elevator hopper, and OEM equipment production line. Our company is located in Shenyang, a hub city in northern China, adjacent to Shenyang International Airport and Dalian Seaport. The application range of vibrating bowl feeders and assembly equipment is very wide, especially in the medical industry, hardware parts equipment industry, automobile manufacturing industry, agricultural irrigation, food packaging industry, and high-tech industries, providing fully automatic production equipment and machines for many industries. Our company has independently developed and designed a water-saving irrigation equipment vibrating bowl feeder, which has applied for an exclusive patent and greatly improved production efficiency. In addition, our company also has CE and other certifications. In recent years, our products have been selling well in domestic and abroad. They are exported to North America, Europe, Central Asia, Southeast Asia, Australia, and many other regions. Product quality has been recognized by many Western European customers. Sales figures are rising year by year. The integration of source manufacturers, professional foreign trade teams, and R&D teams will maximize the control of production costs, increase delivery speed, provide stable after-sales service, and satisfy different customization requirements. Shenyang Songhang Automation, looking forward to cooperating with you.